Hey, this is Alan from Baysheads of Van Wert. How we doing, guys? I just got done doing another system, and sorry, I haven't been posting videos lately on my channel, but this is a system that I did for a buddy friend of mine, and we just stuck in a 12-inch kicker up to an 800-watt kicker amp, got it all hooked up, and I'm going to show you some flex on this system. So if you guys seen most of that, I go, yeah, it's hitting pretty good. But anyhow, just drop a video. I know it's been a while, guys, but if you guys listen to this, give me a thumbs up and comment if you want to on what you guys think. Thank you, guys. I'm Alan from Baysheads of Van Wert here, guys. Peace. I am out of here.